In this training session, we focus on electrical rough, done right the first time. Outlets for counters and garages are to be 44 inches off the slab. Outlet for the micro hood is to be 79 inches off the slab. Alarm wires are to be set 4 inches above the windowsill unless there is a rack of studs. Duplex outlets are to be 14.5 inches off the slab. All measurements will observe a tolerance of plus or minus 1/4 inch. Tolerance here is plus or minus 1/2 inch. All 4-gang boxes are to be blocked out on both sides to prevent the boxes from sagging. Make sure the box is level before blocking out. The block should be flush with the framing to prevent bows in the wall. Nail guards should not be placed anywhere between 28 and 32 inches in areas that will receive base cabinets. This has been causing interference with the cabinetry installation. Install fixture mounts in the center of the room with a tolerance of plus or minus 1/2 inch. Install undersink outlets as close as is practical to the dishwasher side of the cabinet for ease of installation. Install all boxes so they will be flush with the finished wall. Any wall longer than 2 feet requires a receptacle. No point on a wall can be further than 6 feet from a receptacle. Hallways longer than 10 feet require a receptacle. The electric meter hub should be stubbed 14 feet to the center of the pipe back from the forwardmost point of the foundation to provide a proper separation. The Cat 5 home run bundle should penetrate the exterior wall at 11 feet 6 inches from the forwardmost point of the foundation, and the coax home run should penetrate the exterior wall at 12 feet 6 inches from the forwardmost point, both 4 feet FFE. Homes that will have tankless water heaters shall have the stub outs on the garage side as follows. Tankless electrical supply shall be stubbed out 10 feet off the front of the slab from the forwardmost point of the foundation, 14 inches above FFE, 15.5 inches above the brick ledge, and covered with 18 inches of flex conduit with a fitting, and the wire to be doubled back and taped to avoid losing the conduit. Conduit should be installed 7 inches center of pipe to center of stub out for meter cans on the same side as the garage. Conduit should be installed 8 inches center of pipe to center of stub out for meter cans opposite side of the house. This is what happens when we don't ensure our electrical underground is correctly executed. Ensure all electrical boxes installed on the exterior of the home are at least 16 inches apart from one another to prevent interference with trim out. All exterior penetrations are to be flashed using adhesive-backed, self-adhesive flashing tape. The first piece to go on should always be the bottom piece to achieve the proper shingling pattern required for bulk water holdout. All additional coach lights added to the garage shall be placed 6 feet 6 inches above the FFE, so the top of the light will be even with the window header height. All standard coach light heights will be per plan elevations. Electrical pre-wires for exterior door alarm sensors should be drilled on the jamb side opposite the hinges. Failure to do so can reduce the effectiveness of the sensor after trim out. This is how we do it. All outlet and switch boxes installed at the correct height, outlets spaced according to code, all alarm sensor wires installed in designated locations, no wiring or nail guards interfering with cabinet installation. Do it right the first time and everybody wins.